Welcome to the presentation on the Pointcab software for working with 3D laser point clouds and efficiently getting them into a CAD environment. So we're starting off with a 3D point cloud here. This has been collected with a ZEB REVO handheld 3D laser scanner. The data would have been collected in less than 10 minutes simply by walking through the work area. You can see the line work here showing the path that the scanner's travelled on in carrying out the survey. And you can see that in certain areas here it's been lifted up on a pole to access a viewpoint of the top of the roof there and so on. And of course during the survey there's been lots of people walking throughout the work area. And of course they've got measured as well during the survey. So there's approximately, I guess, 6.5 million points there being collected. So we're going to go and take those points across into Pointcab software. So we're going to create a new project. We're going to open up our 3D scan data. Pointcab is a German software written to work with all 3D laser scanners, so it's supporting point clouds from ZEB and Leica and Faro and standard industry formats like E57 and of course LAS format. So you can bring in point clouds from any make and model of 3D scanner. And we'll just go and the project name. So what it's doing now is it's importing that 3D point cloud and it's automatically generating 2D plan views and 2D elevations, one-to-one scale of the data. And they're automatically being generated inside a DWG AutoCAD file. So there's no conversion required, it's doing all the conversions for you. So you can see here's the plan view of the building facade and the outside area here with the trees and the planters and steps and so on. And it's automatically generated elevation views as well. We can change and edit the positions and orientations of any of these elevations and plan views. They're fully customizable. So and so this has all been done automatically. If we have a look at the file folder where the files have been generated, there's a results folder created here, and here's all the files that have been automatically created. So the top view is our plan view here in the DWG format. So this drawing can be automatically opened to any CAD package that supports DWG format, and we can then start working on that scale one-to-one drawing, designing or producing the drawing. So we'll go and have a look at this ortho images now that have been generated inside a CAD package. So let's go and see what we've got here. So we've got the ortho image open already inside a CAD package here. And so it's up to us now to start designing and measuring directly off this image. So you can start taking measurements. So you get a distance from the middle there. So. Get a radius for that area there. And of course you can start drawing your line work. Steps over here. So you can start to build up your 3D model. I've already generated a model to save time, keep the video nice and short. So you just can work around the image here, tracing over the scaled one-to-one point cloud to end up with your final drawing. So in a matter of minutes, you can take a 3D point cloud from any 3D laser scanner. You can use Pointcab to convert that point cloud into a usable DWG drawing file to scale in minutes, and then you can then open up that DWG file in any CAD package you like that supports DWG format, and you can start scaling and measuring and designing and generating drawings for your specific project. So thank you for listening, and I hope you've enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.